Greetings, Earthicans. Today I have a Nike silver metal blade watch that we're going to be replacing the battery of. The model number of this particular watch is the WC0037. There isn't a lot of documentation on this watch, as unfortunately Nike erased all of their Nike timing brand watches from their website. The only on-paper evidence I can find of this watch is on a October 10th, 2006 issue of Nike Timing magazine. So, all you need to open this guy up is a small Phillips head screwdriver as well as a CR2032 button cell battery. There are 4 screws in total in the back case that need to be removed, and as soon as you open up the case you should see a white sticker on the battery, and that sticker is actually covering the mechanism holding the battery in place. The white sticker will have an arrow or triangle pointing to a metal tab that you need to pry open in order to release the mechanism that is holding the battery. The battery might be stuck on the sticker a little bit, but with a pair of tweezers or just simply pulling on it, it should easily come out. Once you have the new battery placed, make sure you pay attention to the position of the white sticker so that you line up the tab back to where its original position is. As soon as you hear those 2 clicks, your battery replacement is basically complete. Just flip over the watch to make sure that it is working before closing it back case to be safe, and then you are good to go. All that is left to do is to place these screws back into the little corners of the back casing and to screw them back in. This Nike metal blade has a lot of the base functions that a lot of sport watches have for the time, including multiple alarms and a chrono stopwatch feature. I do like this mechanism that keeps the bed in place and how simple it is to use. This watch also features a backlight, which is fairly bright and is very view angle friendly. If you are not a fan of the backlight, you can hold the button in order to lock it so that it doesn't turn on when you press the button. That is all there is to this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it, and I hope you have a nice day. Take care.